Popular Jamaican dancehall artist Squash arrested in Florida. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall entertainer Squash, whose given name is Andre Maurice Whitaker, has been arrested in the United States. Information posted on the website of Miami-Dade Police Department indicates that the artist was detained on gun-related charges. The website lists charges of possession of a short-barrel shotgun, a rifle and a machine gun, as well as a concealed firearm. It was also indicated that he was offered bond of $3,000. Links 007 TV News Report is tracking this story and will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.